There we go. There we go. There we go. I guess I do. For people watching, you know, it's not the correct time to do the stream. Muzamil, I do, man. But I don't think I'll be able to do the stream tonight and trade tonight. So, because I'm tired. I'm already tired, so I don't know, you know, how this is gonna go. But I know for a fact that I won't be able to stream tonight because I will be dead tired tonight. So I figured out, you know what? Let's stream now. Let's do the stream now. And, you know, whatever. Now, before we start, yesterday's long position on near down here, legitly good entry. Did not close up here, pulled back. Did not close up here, pulled back. And we got stopped out just above our entry, but we still lost, you know, 2.8 bucks. So, you know, opening fee, closing fee, 1.5, 1.5, 3 bucks. We are down 2.5 or something like that. So I think we are down 8 bucks or something like that so far. So I'm gonna still put this on day 3 because it was, you know, yesterday's trade. And this was near long 10x 283, and now we have 280, so we are down minus 3 bucks, which is fine. So far so good. Right now we are having day 4, and maybe, just maybe there will be a trade tonight. So where are we gonna start? So that's done. That played out, you know, however that played out. But I think I did learn a lesson, because let's go to near and analyze a little bit. Marcel, how you doing, man? Where is near over here? We're gonna analyze a little bit over here. So what happened actually up here? And let's go to another chart. Near USDT Bybit. Let's go to this chart over here. So you can see we had the channel up here. This is the latest channel, but let's remove everything up here. Now let's go to 1 hourly time frame. And you remember over here, we entered somewhere over here, right? And my theory was that, you know, this is a big fat candle, this is some kind of doji or a hammer, and this candle should be like this over here. No, that did not happen. We had another doji up here, but what did happen, no, sorry, our entry is all the way down there, right? Or over here or somewhere, I don't remember. So, somewhere up here as entry. I think it's over here, right? Over here is our entry, right? But my theory was good because this candle, you know, it did create a wick over here, but it just didn't pump over here. And the hour after that, we actually went down and we got picked out of the trade. And after that, it did pick up and it went all the way up there, but it didn't, you know, fail to hold and just dumped big time. So this was still, you know, right now, you know, consolidating over here, but this candle failed to break towards upside. And I think I should have closed after it failing to break towards upside. But I was like, you know, double doji, that's good, that's still good, right? And it did this move up here for the 3rd time and still failed to go up over here. It tried up here and just dumped big time towards the downside. So there was a whole bunch of failures over here. That didn't play out well. We are right now farming chart up here. Let's go a little bit back over here. Where was yesterday? Down here. So over here we bought right over here on these lows down here, which was actually, now when you look at on 5-minute time frame, it doesn't actually look that much, but you know, this is you know, almost 1% move, I think. Yeah, 1% move towards the upside. So technically it was okay, you know, we picked the bottom, but you know, you start doing this on 5-minute time frame because we are trading on 1-minute time frame, and we trade on 1-minute time frame, you cannot let it go that long, right? You cannot let it go that long. So over here we entered right over here. We could have closed over here, we could have closed over here. And then over here we got, you know, picked out, and then it went a little bit up before it actually crashed big time towards the downside. But I think we're gonna stick to a little bit bigger time frames and try to find entries on bigger time frames, although it can take a little bit of time. Like over here you see this, you know, this entire range, this entire move has been on 5-minute time frame, has been playing out right now for, you know, 13 hours, and still haven't done anything, right? So maybe you should be looking for some kind of pattern on a 5-minute time frame, maybe on 50-minute time frame, even though it can actually take a little bit longer. I'm good, man. I lost so much in future as newbie before. Now I attend all your sessions live and learning the proper way to trade. Hope for the best. It takes a while. Afternoon, Bobbly Fett. How you doing, man? So we gotta find something that, you know, looks decent. I don't actually look at that much at the chart. Bitcoin looks like it wants to drop down a little bit over here. So, you know, there's that. It's going inside this, you know, rising channel over here towards the upside. So I think it wants to drop down over here a little bit, which might get me thinking that maybe, just maybe, there might be something that looks legitly, you know, that's pumped a little bit towards the upside and might be looking for a dump over here. So let's just quickly go over the coins and try to figure out if there is anything that looks nice. Lots of these coins are pumping right now towards the upside. Ethereum class, I think Ethereum is a little bit bullish over here, especially on this 1 hour time frame. Let's go to 4 hourly. Let's look at indicators as well. IDO, says Marcel. No, it has to be on Bybit. I cannot do anything, you know. We only trade on Bybit, so you know the coin has to be on Bybit. LDO. LDO is actually on Bybit. And it's at resistance as well. Well, we kind of broke down over here. How much was this? This was 3% move. This is volatile. If this is the channel, which might be. I like that it's hitting this 50 moving average, so you know, there's that. It might be good for a short though. Maybe we'll keep it in mind, you know. It's a really nice channel over here. So we are right now 1 minute time. Let's go to 5 minutes time frames over here. How much upside does this have? 62. Pretty heavy upside if it goes. Let's see for all the time frame. No extensions, but hitting this midline over here. Trying to break the zero line up here towards the upside. Consolidation momentum went all the way down to 36. This was Tuesday, a couple of days ago. Okay, let's look at other stuff over here on the 4 hourly time frame. Rune, Solana, Sui, Theta, Tron, VeChain, XLM, XRD. XRD is down by a bunch. Aptos, 1. Waves has been just bleeding. I mean, this thing is just bleeds. You can just take in the resistance, just, you know, short at. Waves is on Bybit. look at these moves over here. How much is these moves? 4% moves on 30 minutes time frames. This moves really, really fast. I think this is a little bit too volatile right now. This 2.6% move. We'll keep it in mind. Matic. BNB. Jupiter. 1-inch arm. Cake. CRV Dextus. I'm a little bit unsure what's happening with CRV, but you know, people are definitely shorting that. That was a 40% dump over here. This over here was 20% dump. An entire move up here. 52% dump. Damn. GMX. Ooh, GMX has been bleeding down very fast. So if GMX goes up there again, into the box somewhere up here, right? How much is this move down? 2-3%. But it can take, well, I mean, these things 5, 10, 15, like take hours until to get there. Regardless of what's happening on 4-hourly time frame, it does, I mean, it can move down a little bit, it can go up a little bit. I think we need to focus on short terms, like 15 minutes time frame. Oh, this looks like it's gonna drop. GNS, is GNS on Bybit? GNS, USDT, GNS is actually on Bybit. 298. Oh, this is spot. It's not on Bybit. Okay, no GNS. Sushi. Ooh, sushi pumped big time. Can we short sushi? Let's see up here. By the way, I gotta go to the bathroom pretty quick. Eric, the funny guy. We got a funny guy in the chat. There we go. Okay, I'm good now. I'm good now. So let's go back to 5-minute time frame up here. Look at it move up here. How much is this towards the upside of here? 1%. This is so volatile, man. If it goes above these levels again over here, we must short this. Sushi is up 3% right now. It's very volatile. I think it's a little bit too volatile. Like this move up here is like, you know, 5% move. It goes a little bit too fast. Too fast for my taste though. But I like this capitulation candle up here. Because over here there's probably some kind of trend over here. There we go. It's right now pulling back. I think this move is gonna break down, but I'm wondering whether it's gonna go up again before it pulls down. Because channels oftentimes, you know, go up. Look at the volume up here on this move towards the resistance. Fail that, and right now just pulling back by small time frames though. It goes a little bit down, then it goes up here again, catches everybody, and then it goes down fast. Maybe. So impulsive move like this move up here was 2% move, so fast. So you gotta wait. Let's look at a sushi chart on 1 minute, guys. Big Time looks nice on Bybit. There is a coin called Big Time. Yeah, this looks shortable, very shortable, but I will short it up here somewhere. Where is it? Up here. I mean, right now it's on bottom, so you know there is no way this short, but you know, up here, if it gets in that box, you know, maybe there is a good chance. You know what we're gonna start doing? We're gonna start putting the line and putting the alarm. Just in case. Just in case. Airbus A300, what a name. Are you a big fan of the Airbus, man? How you doing? Are you guys in any trades right now? Like, what are you doing? Because we got a sushi there, it's fine. Oh, this looks nice as well. This looks even better. Oh, Uniswap. Nice. ITLA, any chance you're open to check out what we do in the trading space? How can I contact you? You can't contact me. That's the deal. I don't know who you are. Any chance to open to check out what we do in the trading? Who are you? Kobus Kotsi. Let's go to 4-hour time frame. It's been just pumping towards the resistance level up here. Yeah, I think, I mean, I think I'm looking for shorts because Bitcoin is kind of looking like a little bit weak over here. So I think, there's a good chance for a Bitcoin dump. And you know what happens when Bitcoin dump? Everything dumps, right? So there's that. I'm from Turkey. I'm not from Turkey. Naim. But where was the... Uniswap is up 5. Let's see on the daily time from up here. So this did pump a little bit. Might actually have a pullback down there. 3-4% pullback. And this move up here, to me, I mean, this is very bullish actually. This consolidation, I think this is going to continue. I cannot short this over here. Like, look at the volume up here on the move. Look at this move. Look at this move volume, and then you have a consolidation up here that actually goes towards downside. A volume just crashing towards downside. So this looks like consolidation before the next move towards upside. Yeah, there is no shorting of Uniswap. Looks too strong, man. This actually looks good for a long. Like, render actually looks good for a long. This move up here and then fails down, and this fail down oftentimes pumps. I mean, I like this over here. See how it pumps up here, went down, consolidates into the box, then goes up, and then it's getting pushed by the moving average. Oftentimes this goes into some kind of capitulation and then does this move towards upside. So that actually looks good for a long very, very soon. I know it's very, very soon, but it looks good for a long. I would say if it falls back below these levels down here, below on the bottom down here. What is Pepe doing? Didn't Pepe pump a lot, like in a day or two ago, something like that? Yeah, pumped, rejected below down there, getting some kind of dodgy going on. This trend over here did break, I think. I think this move has a little bit chance to actually go a little bit more down over here. Already broke down by a bunch. 0.9%. Oh, this is what I'm talking about. A little bit tired. That's why we're doing this as this stream very, very early. Why is Shiba having this very steep channel up here? I think this is actually shortable right now. Bybit. I don't know about you, I think this is very shortable. Ship. What's different between Shiba 1000 and Shiba 1000 perp? Oh, this is USDC. USDT. 50x? No thank you, man. 50x? You crazy? You crazy? Let's look a little bit more up here. What is this bullish engulfing? No. I don't know. Shiba to me looks like it could break down. But Bitcoin is doing this, zigzag thing where it's not breaking down just yet. 1 hourly close, 4 hourly close in 43 minutes. I think I can short this. I don't know about you guys. I think I can short this. I might be wrong, I might not. Let's see. How's this Ondo look? A little bit unsure. But guys, every time we do a trade, we take 5-minute break because I need to relax. green candle coming on SHIB. Maybe. It didn't drop down, so maybe you're gonna close the position. So let's see. Still mental stop loss over here. Let's see how it's doing. Just consolidating up here. Yeah, unfortunately it's not dropping down. But if you see, this is rising channel. On 50 minutes time frame, the momentum up here has been lost entirely. This is ocean pattern. Already bearish cross, broke the RSI trend towards downside. This 15 minutes candle. 6 minutes left. Let's let it stay a little bit up here. 30 minutes trend not broken just yet. 5 minutes left. We got a 5-minute close candle. There we go. Failed to break previous high up here. Where did we short? 21.8. What happened? Did Bitcoin pump suddenly or something like that? Big time alarm went up. Well, it doesn't pull back over here right now. Big candle. Volume candle as well. How much are we done right now? 2%. You were right on the green candle, man. You were right on the green candle. It goes pretty fast. I mean, this move up here was something like 0.35%. Just one candle. If this is in the next 5 minutes, it doesn't go down. There is a good chance we end in loss on this trade. But you know what they say. You win some, you lose some. Regardless, if we lose, it's okay. If we win, it's better. I cannot handle the move all the way up there though. You are looking for long, big time frame. Welcome. It still isn't going down though. Just flagging. And Bitcoin looks like it wants to break up though. Now this is 30 minutes on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is at resistance level right now, so there's a good chance we get to move down eventually. Are we bear market again? Well, we are shorting like it's bear market, so there is that. This is climbing towards the upside pretty heavily. But we are only down 2.9%, so you know, still, you know, still waiting. We can handle the loss, you know, 10 bucks we can handle. It's okay. Can you handle 20 bucks? That's the big question, right? Because if it goes up here, you know, it goes up all the way towards the upside. And Bitcoin seems to be breaking towards the upside, so this goes up more. just get rejected, man, look at over here. Pull down. If it gets rejected up here, there's a good chance for a move down. 30 minutes, closing in 1 minute and 24 seconds. Still pushing up. No breakdown just yet. 1 hourly time frame. There you go. Get rejected, man. Still not getting it. It looks too strong. Bitcoin up 0.41%. I've never seen 1000 USD chart. That's handy. Yeah, on Bybit there is a 1000 USD chart, so you don't have to look at, you know, all the zeros in front. I think Binance is also SHIB 1000. SHIB 1000. No, ZoomX has, but it is handy. By the way, we forgot to put what did you say entry price? 21,804. Short entry. Oh man, 21,804. So we are in deep water right now. It's up, you know, 0.3%, and still no rejection. 30 minutes just closed. Five minute. This is on the midline over here. I think it needs to get checked soon. I might be wrong. Wouldn't be the first time. Does happen, but you know. Stuff indicate that, you know, it should fall down a little bit. How's the one looking on a 1 hourly time frame over here? Four hourly. Daily. Well, it's coming back a little bit down, so that's good. Where is 1% over here? Wow, it's all the way down there. I mean, if it goes down there, there is a very good chance it goes lower. So, you know, that's good. Let's remove a couple of lines over here. Let's move this one as well. And there is the trend over here somewhere. Yeah, it's parallel line over here. See how it's curving up here, curving, and then goes down over here, breaks and goes down. Hopefully. I don't know. I'm too tired. I just wanna get a loss or a win and go to sleep. There you go, 0% profit. 1 minute support line. How good are 1 minute support lines? I don't know. Obviously not that good. See, big time is in the box though. Go sleep, we're barely waking up over here in South California. Yeah, I'm in Norway, so it's a little bit time frame, but it's actually in the middle of the day. Right now it's 1:34 p.m. But I didn't sleep well, so I'm kind of tired. Still on support. And Bitcoin is kind of breaking towards upside. I don't know if you can see it over here. You can see up here, I managed to get above these moving averages, which is actually quite bad. But it's on 30 minutes time frame though. So 30 minutes doesn't matter. 1 hourly, 4 hourly. 4 hourly is hitting these moving averages up here and still, you know, trending, still going, you know, towards upside up here. West Coast, you see. Yeah, I know where California is, so, you know, Southern California. What time is in Southern California? It's 6 plus 9. 12, 15 hours difference. Is there 9-hour difference between New York and California? Because it's 6-hour difference between here and New York. Let me see here. Time zones world. So here in Norway, it's got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6 hours and then 1, 2. Oh, it's only 3. I thought this was like 9 different. So 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 hours. 9 hours here, 6 hours here. So 9-hour difference. So you are in the middle of the night then. This is minus. Sorry, we are over here. That's plus 1. Minus 7. Minus 8. Minus 9, yeah, minus 9. 9 hours, 1, 12. 8, 10. Like 2 o'clock or something like that? No, 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock in the evening. Time, Southern California. Yeah, 4:36 a.m. Why are you awake at 4:36 a.m., man? Looks like Tony is going good for the cult. Didn't Ivan and Tech mention Ton today in the chat? What kind of cult? Yeah, Ton is going. I don't know where it's going, but it's going. Be careful of the channel though. So over here at top side 3.4 or something like that. Even this midline up here, but you know, the top up here is important. 9.4, what's that? 9.5 give or take. Waiting for markets to open at 6 a.m. What are you trading if you are waiting for stock markets to open? Well, our entry right now acted as support and bouncing off that support level. How's Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin's still not doing anything worthwhile. I still think this needs to break down. I don't know why. I might be crazy, but you know, I still think this needs to break down. Like this move on the small time frame needs to break down. And this move up here already tells me that it's already on the way. Watching Tesla bullish. You bullish on Tesla? I don't think I'm bullish on Tesla though. Over here it says nice consolidation, so it might. But you know, when it comes to Tesla, we always look at, you know, monthly time frame and stuff like that, right? I think Tesla is gonna go below a support level. You might call me crazy, but these are support level over here. But I think it might go as far down as, you know, $100 or something like that. And nothing is done until, you know, it breaks the trend over here. And you see this moving average. This is on monthly time frame. And right now it's sitting at this 50 moving average up here. But it got, there's very good chance for bounce. But you know, if I want to become bullish on Tesla, it needs to break this line towards upside. Now, it might take a little bit of time, but it's bleeding for it. Now the reason it actually, you know, the reason I'm actually thinking I have to go below $100 over here is because you get into this liquidity area down here. I don't know how important that is in the markets up here. Also up here there is a major level of support. That's where it's bouncing right now. But I think if it dumps down, you will have capitulation and everything. 183 up. Pre 184. Yeah, but when it comes to Tesla, I'm only looking at the long term. I'm also looking at NIO, and I was waiting for NIO at 3.5 and stuff like that. You know, it hit three levels up here, but the problem is Tesla is not doing anything worthwhile. So I think when Tesla hits bottom, the NIO is going to be a good buy, but that might take a little while. There we go, breaking down again, which is actually very good confirmation that the channel is actually broken. Right now we need to break this level, break the profit target and take profits. If it bounces over here, I'm gonna be mad. Yes, NIO. Yeah, but I'm still waiting for NIO. Like the way I see it, you know, in China you got BYD, you know, that's the Tesla of China. And then you got the, you know, XPeng and some other companies, but NIO is the one that looks most promising the way I see it. And there won't be only one car company in China forever. They have 1.5 billion people, you know, and one company cannot make all the cars. So if the Lucid, yeah, but it's not that interesting though. Yeah, I mean, if you've seen the cars, and I don't know why. I think. Lucid isn't Chinese, man. Is Lucid Chinese? Is Lucid Chinese? Lucid is designed in California. Yeah, in California. We are talking about Chinese companies. So, Lucid, I mean, there won't only be Tesla either, you know, for electric car. Like Lucid might come around and stuff like that, right? But Ford and these other companies might also come in and start making electric cars. But when I think about China, I'm thinking BYD is doing well. There will be, you know, other companies that are doing well as well. And people are talking a lot about XPeng and stuff like that. And then I watched some of their presentation. It was such a boring presentation. They were talking about you know, how, you know, car navigation and how well their system is working. And I was like, hey man, we are having AI right now. I don't know. I might be crazy. I think NIO is gonna do well eventually. When Tesla does well, NIO is gonna do well. Is this gonna break down, guys? This broke down, this goes down, this still bleeds down. Bearish engulfing candle. Can we get a bearish engulfing candle below 10 moving average? 2 minutes left. Bearish engulfing candle would be nice. 2 minutes left. Above the 10 moving average. There you go, bearish. Well, it's above 10 moving average, still not bearish engulfing. Almost. This on 15-minute time frame though. .6% up, so doing fine. Bearish engulfing, 48 seconds left, 50-minute time frame. Oh yeah, I forgot. Sorry. 280 was last one, right? Yeah, 280 was last one. 14 seconds left and it pumps. 10 seconds left. 8 seconds, 7, 6, 5. They're really trying to push it up. Back inside the channel. Closing in 1 second. No bearish engulfing. No nothing. Still kept inside the channel up here. Oh man. Bitcoin is breaking down just a tiny little bit on 30 minutes up here. Just pulling back so a little bit. If it pulls back a lot, I think this is gonna drop hard. IOs. It's on Bybit. Let's spot. 1 year ago, I was watching your 400 million challenge. Here we are again. Yeah, I've noticed that people coming. As soon as I have in these trading challenges, you know, people are coming back. How much did this thing pump? 92, almost 100x. Yeah, it's definitely going down. It's pulling back like crazy. I don't know where the bottom is, but you know, anytime something does 100x, you know, there will be you know, profit taking. I mean, this thing did, you know, 95x from the bottom towards the top, and the guys that are bought down here, regardless, I mean, up here you got like 20x or something like that. There is a huge profit taking right now happening. I think it's already done. Can it pump more? I mean, technically it depends on the market cap and stuff like that, but you know, coming up to these highs up here, major levels, resistance, that 100x on the move, I think it's gonna drop down. Anytime you see, guys, you can understand, if somebody has 100x, you know, if somebody buys bottom and you didn't buy bottom, the guy who bought the bottom is gonna be the first one to get, you know, 20x, 50x, 100x, whatever, 10x, 5x. He's gonna be first one to sell. Now, if those guys decide that, you know, that's the top or that is the place to sell, the price will go down because they are taking profits. And you would be taking profits as well if you had 100x, you know, if you bought bottom and right now got 100x. I mean, that's only natural, psychologically, you know, how we humans think. Like 100x, I'm gonna take some profits. Price goes down. Oh my god, this is so painful to watch. Because the problem here is that we haven't gone down long enough to put a stop loss at the short entry, so we still got a, you know, mental stop loss. On the other hand, we haven't, you know, broken too much up, you know, to close the position either. Bitcoin isn't breaking down yet, so. This 5-minute candle is most likely outside of the channel. If this is expanding musical instrument, then this over here top goes up here, maybe does something like this up here. It can actually bounce over here again, do this and then break down. So that means we can wait until 5 o'clock or something like that. Okay. It looks bullish though on a bigger time frame, so I don't think I want to push it. If it goes down, I don't want to push the, you know, too much. If it gets the target like 1% down. How much is right now Shiba? Shiba right now is up 2.7%, so you can push back down a little bit. The noob is in the chat. How you doing, man? Naeem says a massive short squeeze coming this weekend. I'm sorry for eating on stream, but I'm hungry. I'm gonna get something to drink. And the gym still going? No, unfortunately no. I don't know, people who've been following me for years, they know I'm very inconsistent with things. Inconsistent. And I need to work on that. Sponsored by Coke. This trading session is sponsored by Coca-Cola. Still haven't broken down. Like, this looks like expanding musical instruments. Expanding musical instruments tend to go up here, then go down, and does another one of these moves and then goes down. And this move over here can go very high up and then go down very fast. So if it fails to break over here and starts doing this over here, and then it starts going back up here again, we're gonna exit the trade, because this move can go very, very high. And then big dump down. So if it doesn't break this line on the downside over here, if it doesn't do this over here towards downside, it starts doing this over here and starts bouncing, we're gonna exit the trade and hopefully exit over here somewhere towards upside. And because this move, and then when it goes towards upside, we're gonna have some kind of trend line, and once it breaks that, we're gonna look for a short up there again. But right now we're just waiting. Wait for it. What did Vantem say? Pump? No, better marketing. No, it wasn't Vantem. Vantem. It is bleeding down slowly on 1 minute time frame. Bitcoin pulling back a little bit as well. That's nice, because if Bitcoin goes down, everything goes down, right? That is the way things work. So Bitcoin right now 0.34%. Pulling back a little bit over here. Consolidating. Might actually bounce still, nothing is set in stone. It already broke the trend over here towards the downside over here. Retest up here, might actually go down. Looks already ready for go down, but this isn't dumping just yet. Slowly being pushed down. I mean, if you get caught this move towards upside, this will be 1%. Then you catch this move towards the bottom, that's 1% down here again. But right now, our 1% is all the way down here. It would be nice if you could get some, instant dump for some reason. And you also see that during this move over here, the volume is rising a little bit. But it's not dumping so much. It's not dumping so much. Retest on the averages. gets rejected, breaks, support goes down. This one is not good. Potato. Do not buy this one. Master Potato original. It's very, very bad. What's this? Gold Harvest? This is, I thought this was Pringles. Potato chips. It's not good. I just got a message from the wife. She said she wanna go on a vacation again. Why is there minutes left? What do you mean, why is there minutes left? Here on the side, just a countdown on the bars. Why is there minutes left? See, comma is very, very important. Why, comma, is there minutes left and why is there minutes left are two totally different, you know, things. So see, why, comma, is there minutes left and why is there minutes left. See, these two look the same, but are totally different. This is why is there minutes left? Why is there minutes left? Why is there? Yeah, that's the third way to write it. So you know, comma is very, very important. There you go, a little bit more breakdown. See over here, the first guy is gonna take profit at 1%. Down here. Is Bitcoin breaking down? Not really. But it's not pumping either, which is good. So when stuff breaks resistance levels, when you see stuff breaking resistance levels and it's not pumping, that's bearish, and then it can go down. Because it should have pumped over here, but it's not. See, it's not pumping yet. I mean, there is still time, but you know, the longer time it goes, the bigger probability is for it to be bearish. We're only 3.8% up, so we gotta wait. I also like this, you know, this rocket candle. I call these rocket candles. It goes up to the resistance level and just bangs down. These are rocket candles, either green or red. If it's red, it's bearish. I mean, red candles are bearish by nature, but this is a bearish candle. We still need to see if this is gonna break the support level over here. Best case scenario, it breaks the support level. Worst case scenario, it starts zigzagging over here and then pumping up here again. Bitcoin bouncing a little bit, there's chance for bounce. See, it should pump over here, but if you look at our chart over here, this actually break, no, it didn't break support level or resistance level. Just this trend over here broke a little bit now, so it's still consolidating on the same place. Momentum is slowly climbing towards the upside over here. This is 30-minute chart. 1 hour that looks bullish. curvature over here. There's a very good chance for it to get wrecked right now, I think. This Bitcoin is going up. It's already coming down to these support levels over here. Bitcoin is up a little bit. What's Ethereum doing? Ethereum is hitting the resistance level on 1 hourly, 4 hourly time from up here. Broke that. Press the wrong button. I don't know why it doesn't. I don't know why it doesn't go down. So there are certain things about the charts that I do not understand. Like, why does it wait? What it is waiting for? See over here, it's already broke down like on 50-minute chart, so this needs to pull down. But I don't get it. I don't get, you know, when it comes to the charts, there's this thing. I don't get why stuff pumps at certain times and doesn't pump at other times. And I'm wondering if there is an answer to that. Because how do we find out when stuff is gonna dump? Like on the dollar. How do we figure that out? This hammer doji can come up very high again. Oh, sorry about that. Don't ask me hard questions. I don't know if there is even an answer for that. See, this is what I was feeling. It goes down to the line and then goes up again. The problem is if it goes up here again, there is a good chance it might pump big time over here. And then I have a dump after it. LDO bounced nicely. Yeah, I did. Bitcoin is bouncing nicely as well. So I'm thinking maybe we're gonna close the position because Bitcoin looks slowly bullish. Bitcoin looks slowly bullish. 88 core breaking out. I love mushrooms. Still hitting that resistance level. I haven't, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 50 means it still haven't, bounced out just yet. No way, homigo. Way, homigo. If it doesn't go down over here right now, I think I'm gonna close the position. I don't think I'm gonna let it go above the entry. We're gonna just take the fees or whatever. It's above it over here. It's hitting the resistance level right now. So right now because if it breaks up here, it can go pretty high. If it gets rejected, I mean, it's gonna go down, right? So it's either else, right? You sold me Bybit account. Nice, very nice. Thank you for support. Now gamble like there is no tomorrow. Now we're gonna close the position. It is doing the thing that it's pretty much up there. $3 market close. We lost on this. How much did we lose? $1.3 because we wait a little bit too long. Now it is. It's been bleeding down over here. I just don't feel it. I just don't feel it. I don't feel it. Sell a Bitcoin and it'll dump. And then it goes down again. Maybe I sold at the wrong time. I'm really tired, guys. I'm really tired. So 14.6 SHIB short 10x 280, and right now we are 277, I think. 278. 278. So that's minus $2. Two losses in a row, guys. We got 2 losses in a row. Unfortunately, not as pro as we should have been. So what are we gonna do now? Are you gonna go for another one? Or are we gonna go sleep? This already looks like it's breaking down. Like over here, I mean, I don't know. I'm just so tired. I know I should not trade now that I'm tired, but you know, I don't know. I don't know what to do. This might have been the resistance. Our entry might have been a resistance level. It's just retesting the top of the wedge over here. It's not going on there. But I'm afraid, you know, for whatever it goes up here and then you are underwater again and stuff like that. And now it looks... I don't know. I don't care. Okay guys, I don't care anymore. I'm too tired to continue the stream. We've been streaming for 1.5 hours. We did one trade. Didn't play out that well. Lost $2.3. So, you know, we are down to 277. Right now, 278. Can adjust up here. 278. There we go. We're down to 278 right now from top at 283. 283 was top. And maybe gonna do another trade another time, but yeah, I just don't feel it right now. I'm too tired. Candle closes minutes done. I don't know. I don't care what it does. If I don't care whether it goes up or down or whatever, you know. Maybe, guys, if I get some sleep, maybe there will be tonight's stream again. So we're gonna do part 2 of day 4. If doesn't, then we'll do, you know, tomorrow new stream, new trade, new stuff. And if you don't know by now, we do have Telegram channel, public Telegram channel. You're welcome to join that. It's free. So there is that. Also link down below and everything else. Okay guys, have a nice day. I'm gonna go and, you know, maybe sleep. I don't know. I'm so tired. By the way, Bitcoin is coming to resistance levels, so there is a very good chance for a rejection over here right now. And that means there is also a very good chance for this to go down as well. Oh man. Nah, I'm not gonna do it. I can't think anymore. Bye bye guys. Take care. Thank you everybody. Thank you for stopping by. No worries man. It's all good. Thank you everybody for stopping by. Come back on the next stream tonight or tomorrow and we'll do a new trade. See, it goes down now. I don't want to do it. I do want to do it, but I don't want to. I know I should not do it. So, you know, we're going to go with the logic over here and say, no, we're not going to touch this. We don't care. It's a good thing that we don't care. You know, that's one of the very important lessons in trading. Sometimes you just don't care. It looks perfect settlement. You get it. No, you're tired. Don't care. Go away. Bye-bye, guys.